opened it.
B buildings. Or
Black.
You're going black?
Yeah. Bunch of people from the right of that. People coming from out in the bunkers. One second.
I hate you, Sean.
Why?
I'm in Black Knight now.
you're in White Knight, Sean.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah! That's why I said I hate you, Sean.
It's been a long day. Whoops.
Somebody's running. Up to the building, up to Black Knight. From gas. I'm first floor, where you can jump in.
People are running over here with me. In white, long white.
I'm closing the jump-in door so I can look out the garage over to him. I think that they might have went over there.
Yeah, there's some scared.
I hit him once.
I naded.
Killed Cav.
Dude, how is he not dead?
He went through. He got hit by M61 twice in the back. He's in the backside. He's probably, he might come up second.
Because he did all that with 3M.
Holy crap, dude. I killed the scav out front of your building. As well. Dude, he took so many shots.
Player.
Yeah, as a player.
Well,
With
when
3M.
yeah, when he comes in, tell him he's a boss.
He's ducking and dodging the shit out of us.
No, I know I hit him twice.
Yeah, there's blood on the wall over here.
Might have been him, but or the guy who went into King from our side.
What you got, buddy? Level 11.
He tanked some rounds.
Yes, he did.
Fighting in King.
Okay, coming.
Yeah,
Coming
they
black.
just somebody just died.
Coming 2 black.
It was like
Somebody
King,
just died.
or maybe might be school. Yeah, you hear that?
King.
Yeah, I'm jumping out the window. I'm rushing basketball or gym.
They're in there. They're close. I hear them.
I'm going up the stairs. Yeah, they're in gym. They're in gym. All right, I'm up here. No movement.
Which gym are they in? The big gym or
Big.
second floor gym?
Big.
Do you want me to rotate around the front?
Don's already in there.
I'm rotating around in the alley.
Might be in small server, maybe. Don't shoot. That's airman at the front.
Killed somebody out
me.
front.
Hey, I'm right here in this door. I'm right here in this door.
Alright, I'm outside. Somebody's back in like a white knight. I'm behind you.
You good?
I killed him. Let me just loot a bag.
Me.
Like HK.
Speaking of which,
I'll take it.
I totally didn't bring a paracord. Guess what? I found a paracord.
Guy's got a port armor on. What the fuck? Exfil Ford armor.
This guy had slick HK.
Nice.
Oh, this guy had a paracord on him as well.
Yeah, we usually just put them in our bags. I just forgot to put it back.
UV lamp, nice. Very nice.
I'm gonna push big server here in a second. Yeah, they're fighting back at the night buildings where we're at. I'm in big server.
Man. Did you kill this guy in the front shop?
Corner? Yeah.
No, this guy was killed by Scary Gary.
Oh, I thought that's the guy you killed.
He killed somebody outside. Who had the P90? Did the guy that you killed have the P90?
Nuh-uh.
There's another one, and somebody's still here with the P90.
The P90 is over there?
Where?
No, I'm asking.
Oh no, none of us have a P90.
Okay. Well,
I'm
I know
saying.
that.
Somebody's still alive that has a P90 in here. I'm third floor.
Reloading.
Some P90 dudes somewhere. Yeah, I'm third floor right now.
There's a fort right there if you want it.
I already got a slick.
You said they were black or white.
There's somebody at the P90 that's still in this building or something.
I haven't seen or heard anything.
You're second? Okay, I'm coming down
Yep.
the second. This is me. Might be in the basement. Because the guy with the P90 killed somebody.
Maybe he died somewhere else.
Where y'all?
Second.
Oh,
Oops.
come on.
That's pop.
Hey, Sean.
Yeah, yeah.
Right here is a tech spawn. And you
Alright.
passed the transmitter.
Oh.
Just kind of figured I'd let you know that.
Yeah, this guy was killed by Scary Gary.
And nobody has Scary Gary's name or tag? Are you down in the basement now?
On first floor.
I don't want to go check outside again, because he might be outside or something.
I'm going to that.
That's a UMP. Is that K buildings? Where's that at?
Fuck if I know. I think it's over in black or white.
Oh, dude, there's another body in here. Scary Gary.
No, now we know. I'm in Black Knight with you.
Who killed the guy?
You did. You killed him. Do you want the P90? I can't. I don't have room to bring it to you.
You M67'd him, by the way.
Yeah, you hit him with
I did?
Yeah,
Yeah.
you did.
What did he have?
That P90.
Oh. Oh, on the roof of... On the roof of white.
Coming over.
I'm first floor, I can't see anything.
Coming up to the roof. Black.
one in third floor. White knight.
You wait. Okay.
I couldn't grab the P90, so.
Oh, good.
if
You can
want it,
have
you'll
all
have
that
to go-
shit.
If you want it, you'll have to go back and get it. Bottom floor, first floor.
I guess something just spawned or walked in or something.
I just tagged his shoulder. Third floor, rooftop. Rooftop of white.
He just went in. I think he just went into second.
Dropped the hole. Yeah.
Probably gonna go out the back.
There's something in the garage, by the way. I'm running over in between the wall, in between the building and in between.
He's out back. Both dead.
Of course, Sean. I need to clip that.
Why do you need? I need to clip that.
No, I do. You gotta see my perspective on that.
I'm in the first floor of white.
Yeah, me too. I'm healing up in the bathroom.
I'm in long white garage.
I want that P90, but I don't have room.
You mother. I got a tank battery. Lol. Will I hold on to it? I have no idea. Yeah, I'm carrying it now. Am I gonna keep it? I don't know.
Time will tell, will it not?
Exactly.
So they're metal.
Wait, more?
There's one of y'all just on metal.
Yeah, I was on that.
I'm in RBSG.
I'm stuttering.
Sure, there's no more. Okay.
This guy's got an SR25 for you.
Nice.
Do you need sand 203? West.
No, I got all the keys. Beat my kill boy. Cut your nuts off. Fucking with you.
I know. Still not gonna take anything.
Going in long way.
So,
You said something about a P90?
yeah, it's in do you want it?
I'm gonna go for it, but
Are you sprinting white?
yeah. Why not? I'm 72.6, but
Yeah,
don't
he's
think
got
I'm
an
super
ABS
slow.
too.
end it.
There's Sean.
I'm over here readjusting my fit with it. And white, long white.
There's another one in here.
Are you dead?
Nope, I'm good.
Okay.
I'm lit up, so.
Haha,
coming
there's
in.
the UMP guy.
Yep. You know, you weren't the one that I was That's not why I wanted you, but... but thanks for saying that as he comes out the door, so I know it wasn't you. As soon as he started shooting at me.
Look at the wrist, right?
Oh, dude, I flicked on him. He blacked out 3 of my limbs, though. Blacked out my stomach and both arms. I got jumped. Do you have a serve?
Yeah. No, I don't. Never mind. I have 1 CMS left you can have.
Yeah, it's my CMS.
If you'd like to come over to Black Knight, I've got a serve kid.
Hey, go take his. He's rich. I'm gonna go to K's. Actually, there's like, what the fuck are all these bodies right here?
It's dead center. One of those is a scav. Is it dead? The serve kit's dead center of the stairs. Like right as you come in. You can just bring it back to me.
This dude was ratting in here. Level 7. I've got 4 tags on me.
You go to Black Knight?
Me?
Yeah.
Not yet, no.
Okay, well, it's just sitting there on the floor.
Did you zero out that 3M armor earlier?
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, he took it.
Hey, Sean,
Really?
I can press the button, Sean.
Are you good?
Yeah, I'm good.
I think there might be somebody in big server.
Alright, I'm good. Where you at?
The extract, pretty much. Not in it, but train extract around it.
Where are you at, Warren?
Oh, I'm at the button.
Oh, you're gonna go that button.
I'm in. I can press the button. Would you like me to press the button?
Go for
Not
it.
yet.
Too late.
Oh, I'm not even over there yet. John, if there's raiders, you gotta kill them.
I hope that's what I'm waiting for.
Otherwise, I'm gonna get dropped. I always do. You having fun yet?
He's killing them all.
I know he is. I can hear it.
He spawned up running. That's hilarious. In front of Hermetic. That
Yeah,
in the
The
dip.
open door?
Yeah. Like
Are
might be
you
like
in hermetic?
yeah, I'm coming out right now.
Oh, nade. Hold on, no, back off, back off, back off.
That flew right by my head. That was nutty. I'm on top now. That was a rush.
Yeah, that they spawned up running.
Right in front of me. You motherfucker.
Just taking a nade.
Uh,
Take the P90. I can't take it.
I'm not gonna.
Ooh. Guess what rounds were in this guy's P90?
SS 190.
R37X.
Would that have even done anything?
No.
I'm extracting.
Let me know when you're out, Sean. I'm literally just sitting next to the button. I'm not gonna hear him go, damn it, I didn't make it out, I need you to go press the button. Well, I'm already out.
I'm good in 5 seconds. So I'm good.
Alright, cool. I'm gonna make my way really slowly to Red Rebel.
That was my last restart.
It was both of you guys. No. I fucking hate it when it rains.
I killed somebody.
You did
Killed
what?
somebody.
I forgot.
That P90 dude, you never got retired.
Yo.
Тут наших бьет! Вон он, упырь!
Let's see.
Yep, catch you later. Na. What did we get? No.
Земляк!
No, shut up, dude. Grab that juice and time to leave.
Я с пацанами за такое не пью.
Shut up, dude. Oh, let the fun begin, right? Yeah, am I gonna try? Yep. Yes. Okay, so I did not pop the painkiller. Apparently, okay, so you can't reload and pop a golden star. That's something to note. Did not know that. Okay, I'm up. Well, it's hands down better just to run. All right. I figure if somebody was up here, they would have hit that one locked room or unlocked room over there with the safe in it. You figure, but stranger things have happened. Folder of intelligence. Haven't hit one here yet. Folder of intelligence. Nope. Still haven't hit one yet. All right, sweet. Pretty boring raid for me, I won't lie, but I mean, what can you do when you go to fight the players and they just run in front of you? Like, I mean, I guess I need to be six head, I guess, or hold the W key and not stop at all or something. But yeah, I didn't do a whole lot but kill some scavs. Woo! Not a. It's whatever. All right.